Good morning, students. Today I will teach to you a exercise of 7.1 of a questions 3, and questions 3 is given that identify the error. Identify the error. Now this fraction is given to the diagram, okay, from a diagram, and you say that it is a clear, it is a correct or not. Okay, so now here second part. First we taken a second part. Second part is given a, this is a rectangle and rectangle have a 4 part, but this part is not equal. Okay, that is a 2 parts are greater and 2 parts is a smaller. So for fractions, first you make all parts will be equal. Okay, all part will be equal. So now here write this is a 1 by 4. So this will be wrong because it have a 4 part, but it is not equal, so it is a error. Okay, now similarly in a third part, given that this figure and this figure is a circle, and circle have also a 4 part, but this is a not a equal part, so we cannot say कि this is a 3 by 4. 3 parts is a sided, but these 3 parts is a not a equal part, so we cannot say that कि this is a 3 by 4. So no, this is a not 3 by 4. Okay, I think you understand it, beta. I solve our next first part also. Now student, this is 1 by 2. So now this is a triangles, and triangle have a 2 parts, but both 2 parts are not equal. This is a very small and this part is a very big, and if you want to make equal parts, then it becomes what it becomes. This will be like this. Okay, and here you see that you make a equal parts, then here 3 part will be shaded. Okay, so then this is a 3 by 4, not a 1 by 2. So what you can say? No, this is a not 1 by 2, and it is a error. It is error. Okay, it is a error. Okay, so now I will go to the next question, question 4. Now student, question 4 is given, what fraction of a day is 8 hours? Okay, so now a day is 8 hours. Okay, that means a day, that means one day, a day, that means one day have how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, in a day, one day equal to 24 hours. So now in 8 hours, what is a fraction? So fraction in 8 hours, fraction of a day is 8 hours. Is 8 hours is equal to, first you write 8 in a numerator and total hours in a day you write in a denominator. That is what you write, 8 by 24. So now you write in a lowest form, then 8 upon 24, 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So what you write? You write 1 by 3. मतलब 8 you divide 8 in 8, then you obtained a 1. 8 divide 24 in a 24 8 by 8 divide, then you obtained a 3, then it will be 1 by 3. So this is your fraction. Okay, this is your fraction 1 by 3. Now students, questions 5 is a given. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Okay, so now an hour is a how many minutes? In 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so now fraction 40 minutes, how many fractions of 40 minutes in an hour? Then first you write a 40 minutes in a numerator and 60 minutes you write in a denominator, and then you cancel it, and then your fraction will be come. Then first a fraction of an hour is 40 minutes is equal to, first you write a 40 here minutes, and upon that is a 60 minute. So now here unit is also cancel, and minute cancel, 0 cancel, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So now it will be what? 2 by 3. It will be 2 by 3. So now fraction of an hour is a 2 by 3. Okay. So now next question. Now student, question 7 is a given. 6 for a homework, and question 7, Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. Okay, she had to dye a 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. Okay, and she finished the 20 dresses. So what fraction of dress has she finished? Okay, so now first, how many she has finished dresses? That is equal to 20. This will be 20. Okay, this will be 20. And how many had dye dresses? That is 30 dresses. Okay, so now fraction, first you find the fraction of a dress has she finished. Fraction, now solution here. Fraction of dresses has she finished. Finished is equal to क्या होगा? That means first you, she has a finished dresses, that is you write in a numerator, that is a 20. ठीक है, first you write here she has finished dress. Okay, upon total dresses. Okay, upon a total dresses. So now she has finished the dress, that means 20 and total dress will be 30. Okay, total will be 30. Okay, so now you write 20 upon 30. Okay, so now this will be 0 to 0, this will be cancelled and it becomes a 2/3. So then what fraction of dress has she finished? This finished the 2/3 of dresses. Okay, so now students, next questions I will send to you in a next class. Okay, thank you.